Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. And today we are going to start with the topic present continuous tense. So please keep a notebook with you so that you can note down the important points and rule of this tense. So now we are going to start present continuous tense. We use, first of all, where we use present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to show that actions or activities are happening now in the present. Okay, the actions that we are doing now at the present moment, that comes under present continuous tense. Okay, जो action हम अभी कर रहे हैं, that comes under present continuous tense. Okay, like I am speaking now, you are listening to me. Whatever the action that you are doing at the present moment, that comes under present continuous tense. Now we are going to look at the rule of present continuous tense. To form the present continuous tense we use, first of all, जब हमने present continuous tense form करना है, what we have to keep in mind, please note down in your notebook because this is very important. According to this rule, you are going to do the present continuous tense. Okay, so first of all there is subject. Now what is subject? The person who is doing an action in the sentence. Okay, the person who, subject जो sentence में action कर रहा है. Okay, the person who is doing action in a sentence. Okay, so the person can be he, the person can be we, the person can be they, the person can be I. Okay, the person can be Varun, the person can be Geeta, the person can be Sumit. ठीक है, so the person who is doing the action in the sentence is known as a subject. Okay, after the subject, after looking at the subject, whether it is singular or plural, what is the next step? We have to choose among is, am, are. Okay, these are helping verb and we are not going to use them all together. हम इनको इकट्ठा use नहीं करेंगे. We have to choose among them according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we are going to use is. If the subject is plural, we are going to use are. If the subject is I, we are going to choose am. Okay, so according to the subject, whether the subject is singular, whether the subject is plural, or we are talking about I, we have to choose among them according to the subject. And after helping verb, what is the next step? Verb plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, verb means action word must be given to you in a bracket, and with that word we have to add ing. Okay, उसके साथ हमने ing add करना है. See here, talk plus ing, talking. Do plus ing, doing. These are some of the action that I have taken as example. Okay, there are so many actions that we do, and I have taken some of them. Talk plus ing, talking. Do plus ing, doing. Water plus ing, watering. Go plus ing, going. Teach plus ing, teaching. So what we have done, these are the verb first form and we have added ing. So the words are like this: talking, doing, watering, going, teaching. Okay, we are going to write in the notebook like this. We are not going to write talk plus ing. हमने ये mark नहीं डालना. We have to write only the words. These are only to show you how we are going to add verb plus ing. Okay, so the subject, the person who is doing an action in the sentence, is, am, are the helping verbs that we are going to choose according to subject. Verb first form plus ing. Okay, verb must be given to you in the bracket and we have to add ing there. So here are some of the rules so that you can get more clearly, so that you can understand more clearly. वी यूज़ इज़, हम इज़ किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं? ही, शी, इट, और यू कैन राइट एनी नेम ऑल्सो. ओके, any single name, like if I write here Ram, any single name, or Geeta. Okay, single name. Or if we are talking about any animal like dog, ठीक है. So whenever we are talking about any singular thing, we are going to use is. Okay, and with is, what we have done here, go plus ing. Okay, so I have taken here same sentence in all the examples so that you can get more clearly. Next beta, we are going to use are with you, we, they. You, we, they. So here two person can be named, like if I am writing here Ram and Geeta. So we are going to use here are. Here we have taken them as singular, here we have taken them together. Okay, and with I we are going to use am. Okay, so he is going to the market, she is going to the market, it is going to the market. Okay, we are going to the market, they are going to the market, you are going to the market, I am going to the market. ठीक है. With he, she, it, or any singular person or thing, we are going to use is. ठीक है. With plural or you, we, they, we are going to use are, and with I we are going to use am. Okay, with I we are going to use am. So next, there are some of the example. I want to make you clear regarding is, MR again. So please look at this page also. With he, she, it, or Ram or Varun, they all are single, is. With I, am. With we, they, you, are. Okay, the next step is verb first form plus ing. Okay, so Varun and Ranjit, two person, my friend and I are. Okay, so he is watering the plants, they are watering the plants. Sumit and Preeti, two person, Sumit and Preeti are watering the plants. Okay, so here are some of the example. He, she, it, or with any singular is, with I, am, with we, they, you, are, plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, next there are some of the examples. Nikhil and Neha, two person. Nikhil and Neha are going for a walk. Their grandfather single, their grandfather is walking with them. They, plural, they are walking slowly. Neha is holding her puppy's leash. They are enjoying themselves. Okay, so some more examples. Tim and Terry, two person, I have written here also. Tim and Terry are walking on the road. Tim, single, Tim is holding a walking stick. They, plural, they are carrying bags. They, plural, they are going. Go plus ing, going for a picnic. I am sketching, sketch plus ing, mountains. Okay, so there are here are some of the examples. The action word is given to us in the bracket, and what we have done, we have added ing, walking, holding, carrying, going, sketching. Okay, two things we have to do. We have to choose which helping verb we are going to write according to the subject, and we have to add ing with the verb which will be given to you in the bracket. Okay, so I hope I have cleared your doubts, and please do practice on your workbook, on your book of these exercises. These exercises must be given in chapter 4, so you can look at them and try to fill the blanks by yourself. So this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.